Getting started with the Sony Digital HD video camera. To insert the battery, raise the eye cup above the battery compartment. Insert a Sony NPF-type battery with the text facing upright at the top of the battery compartment and slide it down. When powering the camera on, press and hold the green button while sliding the lever to the on position. The LCD display should come on with the Sony logo. To open the shutter of the lens hood, switch the lever near the front left of the camera in the upright open position. When inserting a memory card, open the cover on the left rear of the camera body. Orient and insert the SD card's notch corner first facing down as shown in the icon next to the slot. The card is inserted correctly when it clicks into place. Don't forget to close the door. Understanding the card slot LED activity lights. When powering the camera on, the LED light on the card slot blinks red and green. When the cards are ready to record, the light turns solid green. When record is enabled, the lights also blink red and green. The LED light will turn solid green when writing data to the SD card. There is also a record button on top of the camera by the handle. When disabling record, the LED light will flash red and orange, then solid green when it's completed. When powering the camera down, the LED lights on all the card slots turn solid red. Camera modes. There are two mode buttons located on the camera, on the bottom left and on the top. When the mode button is selected, you should see 5 mode menus. Camera, you can achieve smooth slow motion recordings. Play is to view media. Edit is to cut your footage in camera. Dub copy is to copy files to another source. Manage media is to handle storage. Formatting the media card. Touch Manage Media. Then go to Media Format. Select the media slot you wish to format. A warning sign appears, letting you know all data will be deleted. Navigate to Yes. It'll ask you again, are you sure? If you are sure, navigate over to Yes. The formatting of the card will begin. After the card is formatted, you are ready to start recording. Changing the record format. Press Menu. Scroll down to Rec Outset. Select Rec Set. Scroll down to select Rec Format. You can navigate the menu system on the bottom left with the Select, Push, Execute dial or the arrow buttons on top of the camera. In the Rec Format menu, you can select bitrate, image size, frame rate, and scanning system formats of your choice. Once your record format is selected, confirm with Yes and the camera will reboot. Tripod, plate, and camera. To attach the camera to the tripod plate, you will need a key or a quarter. Turn the camera on its side. The gold pin goes towards the front lens of the camera. The quarter-inch screw goes towards the rear end of the camera. Screw in the quarter-inch screw to the base of the camera. Tighten the screw with a quarter or a key. When attaching the camera to a tripod, slide it from the back of the tripod head to the front. The tripod and quick release plate will click into place. Use the lever on the right side of the tripod to tighten the camera to the tripod head. You are now ready to record. Happy filming!